Welcome to Biva Technologies. Today in this video, I am going to explain about how to create a subdomain for your dedicated landing page or dedicated website. Subdomain is very important today to increase your business to generate more revenues. Why? Because you can use subdomain as a dedicated website connected to your website. You can use subdomain as a landing page to bring customers to your website, and you can use subdomain to sell out your any product or to give away. Today, through subdomain, you can increase your business to the next level. In this video, I am going to explain about how you can create a dedicated subdomain as your landing page or as a website, and how to make it live. According to my experience, I have seen that many professional business owners or many reputed business owners, they use subdomain to generate tons of leads. Not only lead generation, but also to increase your business potentiality. A subdomain is very important. So without delay, let's jump into my computer screen and stay tuned. Before starting the video, I will ask you a question. Why are you using or creating a subdomain for your business? If you create subdomain as a landing page, that's a different thing. If you create a subdomain as a digital store, that's a different thing. If you want to create your subdomain as an LMS or learning management system like Udemy and any other platforms where people can come and register your course and continue learning. So there are very types of subdomains, or there are very types of business models where you can use subdomain. So, but today in this video, I will just show you a general subdomain dedicated to a training. Means you all know I am Shobhan Ghoshal. I am a digital marketing trainer. So I want to launch a new training program called Digital Marketing Masterclass, where I will train many things like ChatGPT and AI. That is called a prompt engineering, prompt writing, search engine optimization, or advanced search engine optimization, social media marketing, Google ads, Facebook ads, and lots of things. I will do everything through my training, and I am planning to launch the dedicated website for training. So that is the goal. You have to align a goal before starting a subdomain or before creating a subdomain. So without delay, I will just jump into my computer screen again. The first thing is how to create subdomain using Cloudways. Why I am using Cloudways, or I have been using Cloudways since 2019 probably, and I think the Cloudways is the most reliable hosting, though it is hugely, or it is highly costly, you can say. Okay, it takes a huge amount, around $35 a month, which is huge according to beginners, and even sometimes it's huge to me as well. But Cloudways is very important for those who want a seamless performance, fast loading, and hassle-free environment, hassle-free, what can I say, hassle-free experience. So I use Cloudways, and today I will create subdomain using Cloudways. So first, I have to go to the hosting provider. I will show everything in detail, then create a subdomain, then make it live, and finally design it according to your need, according to your goal. That is very important. When you are going to create or design your subdomain, it is very important you have to align it according to your goal. Suppose you just want to create it for a landing page, then that's a different thing, or a dedicated platform for a digital store or whatever, that is a different thing. So without delay, let's start it from the beginning. At first, I have to come to you Cloudways platform. Then I have to log in here. I have to log in here. I have already the account since long, so I can easily use it. Or if you want to take Cloudways as your primary hosting or as your hosting, you can just go to the description and then there is a link for you. You can join there. Okay. Now this is my server. Now first I have to use what, and I have to launch an application. So for that I have to go to this application center, and then I have to add an application. That is, first I have to choose the server, that is the server, and add application. Next, we have to use WordPress version, Joomla, or any other platform, whatever what you can use or what you want actually. But I will go for a standard WordPress because we can make everything. We can live our website through WordPress. So first, I will come to you about this one. This is the advanced one, but this is dedicated for WooCommerce, and I will go to the general version, not the multi-site version. I will go to it. Then there is the application name. I have to change the application name, and that should be masterclass. Okay, and my project is under my company Biva Technologies, and then I will just add the application. When I add the application, it takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Generally it takes time because the integration to the server, and they already check if the same name is available or not, all these things. So that's why it takes around 2 to 3 minutes. And during this time we have to understand another thing, and that one is, for example, for a landing page, single page website is better. You have to understand this very carefully. If you want to just create a subdomain as a landing page, you have to plan for a single page website. That is better because the focus is only aligning with the single thing, and that can bring lots of traffic to your website, and the traffic will not be, your audience will not be hesitated, or will not have many options to go anywhere. For a digital store, that is very common today, and I also have a digital store, but that is under construction level. When it will live, I will just give the link. Okay, for a digital store, multiple why? Because there is a dedicated shop page, add to cart page, thank you page, category page. These are the types, and for that WooCommerce is best, or integrating WooCommerce is best. For a uh, you know for a coaching business, LMS, learning management system types of environment, is important. So it depends on the goal you have. Okay, next I come to you, is already it's created. Next I come to my my this one, that is called my website or subdomain, and that is the subdomain link. But if I use it as a subdomain link, will I remember, or will the customers remember, or how will I do it? So that's why I plan to, or everybody should plan to integrate their website with a proper name. The name I have chosen is the masterclass. So first I have to come to you to the domain management system and add a domain. That is very important. That is called masterclass dot. The first one is my subdomain. The second one is my website, my main domain. Let me clear once. The first one is the subdomain, and the next one is the main domain. And then don't check it, just save changes. It will also take 2 to 3 minutes as well. It takes time, sometimes it takes 5 minutes, more than that, sometimes it takes 10 minutes or more than that, sometimes it takes 2 to 3 minutes. It depends according to your hosting, but in Cloudways it takes around 2 to 3 minutes, and it's not more than that. But during this time I will just again come to this page, and for WooCommerce and LMS, you have to add payment gateway. But you can also create a dedicated landing page to sell a particular product. For that case also you can use, or you can add payment gateway as well, but that is mandatory for WooCommerce and any LMS system. You have to add payment gateway. There are lots of payment gateways available today. It's in India there are lots of payment gateways available. In any other countries, there are also many payment gateways are available. You have to choose those payment gateways which are most convenient. Yes, which are most convenient. Okay, let's check. And already it has done. Next, I will not cut anything, I will not edit any part of this video. I will just completely do it live to let you know exact timing, exact things, step by step. Next, I will just click here and make domain primary, or make it primary, because the primary was this was my primary URL, and I have to replace it with the newly created subdomain, with the newly created URL, whatever you can say. Okay, next, the thing is, the website is live. You are happy that my website is live, but actually your website is not live till now, because we are just in the second step. Just create a subdomain. Now we have to make it live, and for the live, for make it live, we have to go to our DNS setting. It is under your domain provider, or CDN. CDN is content delivery network. Okay, I will let you know, or I will explain it later. But I have to go to the DNS setting, and here I will just come. Okay, now it makes primary. Okay, again I come here for access details, and when I click here, the site cannot be reached. Okay, but I have to make it live. Even this is not working. Have you seen? The page is not completely working, so I have to change it. And the domain I have chosen, that is called masterclass.bivatechnologies.com. Okay, just to make it live, I have to go to my domain provider. In that case, I use Cloudflare. Don't be confused. Cloudways is a hosting and Cloudflare is a CDN, content delivery network platform. I use Cloudflare to make my website faster, and for that here I have to come and sign in. If you are the first time user, you have to make it, what can I say, make a sign up. Sometimes I forget what to say. Okay, next, this is my website. Here is the website Viva Technologies, you have seen it. That is my primary website, and I am creating subdomain for this website as well. Okay, so for that I have to come to my DNS. Now question is, where is DNS? So you can do two things. Number one, you can click here, click your domain, and then come to your DNS, and you have to add a record, and that is called a record. So for that, come here, it is a record, and that is master class. Okay, that is master class, that is the name, and you have to use your IP address. I have already used my IP address, so that is my IP address and I am using it, and you can just add some comment. It's called Biva Technologies Masterclass. That is, I have mentioned it in the comment to let me know in future. Okay, and it takes some time. Okay, it takes some time. Rest of these you will keep the same. Okay, now you have to check if the website is live. It takes some time. Still it is not live. Now the website is completely live. So you have seen that the website is live. It generally takes around 30 minutes, 15 minutes. It depends on your hosting provider, and you can check the DNS propagation from any of the websites I have already shown you. This is the DNS propagation, means my server is connected to the subdomain, or my subdomain is connected to the server, and both are live. Have you got it? Okay, now this is the website. This is the URL of the website, and if you want to enter the dashboard, then you have to use wp admin just at the end of the URL. Okay, so this is the thing, and I'm just gonna add here. I'm just gonna enter here. Sorry, just give me some time. Yes, and they have provided a password. You will have to change the password later, but at the beginning you have to enter your website dashboard using the default password which your hosting provider has given to you. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, that is the dashboard of the website. Now at the end of this, means after creating, or after making the website live, I have to decorate, I have to develop the website according to a standard website. For example, this is a standard website, bivatechnologies.com, and you have to create a website like that, or a landing page like that, because that's very important. Without this is not a well equipped website. This is not a well equipped website. Okay, now first, this is the section of logo, this is the section of menu, and this is the landing page section. You have to change everything. For that I use a premium thing, that is DV theme. That is a premium theme from Elegant. Okay, let's come here. Let's come to the Elegant theme. Sorry, elegant theme. I have to enter their website, registered website, because the theme is purchased by me. So I have to come here. And I have to log in there. you know I have to log in there. The Black Friday sale is going on, and I have to download the theme. Already it is downloaded, so I don't do download. I will just come here and go to create a dedicated API key for my business. Generate an API key, and the API key label is masterclass, or it's showing that Biva Technologies Masterclass. Biva Technologies Masterclass. Generate API key. Yes, that is the API key. So I have to copy it. Okay, I have to copy it and then come to here. First go to appearance, then themes. First delete all unnecessary themes or default themes, because I don't need any default themes. I have a purchased theme which took $300, around 2000, I means $299 when I purchased it. And I purchased it for lifetime. It's very important that you must have, when you are professional, you must have professional equipments with you. Professional what can I say, professional plugins are very important. Okay, next I will come to you. I will install my theme, DV theme, and integrate it with my existing DV account, then register it or make it live. And today in this video I will not continue developing the page. Later in another video I will just show you how to create a website, or how to integrate e-commerce into a website. Okay, or how to integrate what can I say, how to integrate your website with LMS, whatever. Okay, now this is very important. I have to activate my license. If you purchase from any third party resource, then it will be tough to activate your account. You have to use the cracked versions, and in most of the cases the virus attacks through that. So I will recommend not to use any GPL, what can I say, GPL licensed themes. You have to use, or please purchase a product, or use default WordPress themes which the WordPress by default suggests you. Okay, next come to you and log in it or activate it. Through that, it's showing activation. It takes some time. Yes, that is activated. Okay, I have to do nothing, just I have activated. I will show you one important thing, and that is under the theme section, go to updates, and here is the username. And then I have to paste the API key I have copied from here. That is the API key I have copied. Okay, and then save changes. Why? I have activated it in two ways. First one is the default way, that is auto connection way, and second one is the manual way, which is also important for you. Now your website looks like very odd, because the theme itself doesn't give you any layout. You have to create layouts, you have to use templates. My main website and other websites, I will show you, are created using Divi. I will just show you all these things. This is completely created by Divi. I created myself. Okay, and this one is also I created myself. This is my portfolio website, which is completely dedicated to show who I am. And this is a complete website. Biva Technologies is a complete website for those who wants to increase their business and this is for who wants to grow their career. That is the difference. But definitely I am just planning to launch a new masterclass, so you can easily understand that both are actually same. The person Shobhan Ghoshal and the digital marketing masterclass trainer is the same one. So I think you will have no problem about that. But I have created this website to show my credentiality. In many cases, when I started freelancing, when I started content writing, then I needed a website, and that's why I created this website. And later I thought that this website was not, I didn't work here. I just focused on Viva technology. But later I thought that if the website is there, I have to do something, I have to work something. That's why I have created some dedicated pages. For example, the digital marketing training, lead generation training, prompt engineering training, and omnichannel marketing training. These four are my core training sessions today. There is the digital marketing, that is the lead generation, it's very important. That is the prompt engineering. You cannot go without AI today. You cannot move a single step without AI today, because AI is highly potential if you use it accordingly. And I also use ChatGPT Premium or ChatGPT Plus to train my students and to generate the best results according to. Okay, so today, this is the video. I will show how to create a website, or how to make my website, or how to create pages in my website, and what pages are important later. But today in this video, I will just close it, because the video is already around 22 minutes, so it's huge. So thank you for watching it. I think you will be happy after watching this. If you have any question related to digital marketing, you are free to ask me in the comment section, or the email ID is there. Go and email me if you have any question, or you can just WhatsApp me, and I will there to help you. Thank you. Stay connected.